Gravity Forms gives you the ability to show or hide fields based on user input using conditional logic. Conditional logic is a great way to shorten forms and make them more personalized and less daunting to the user. In this video, we're going to take a look at adding conditional logic to the Gravity Forms simple contact form template so that the user can personalize how they wish to be contacted after they submit the form. I'll get started by creating a new form and selecting the simple contact form template. I'm then going to add a drop-down box above the email field that asks the user how they would like to be contacted. I'll provide users with three options: email, phone, and text. Next, I can select the email field and access the field settings to enable conditional logic. Here, I can choose to show or hide this field based on specific conditions that have to be met. I want this field to only be displayed if the user wishes to be contacted via email, so I will choose to show this field if all of the following match. The field, "How would you like to be contacted?" is email. Now, my email field will only display to the user if they indicate that email is their preferred method of contact. I'll next add a phone field below my email field. I want this field to display if the user selects phone or text as their preferred method of contact. To accomplish this goal, I'll need to enable conditional logic and set up two conditions to be met. This time, I'm going to choose to show this field if any of the following conditions are met. How would you like to be contacted is phone or text. I can use the plus icon to add multiple rules, and since I selected to show this field if any of these conditions are met, this field will be displayed if the user selects phone or text. I'd like to add one more field that asks the user the best time to contact them if they select phone as their preferred method of contact. I'll add another drop-down box and configure my choices, then I will enable conditional logic for this field. I'll set my conditional logic to show this field if all of the following match. The field, "How would you like to be contacted?" is phone. Now, if the user selects phone as their preferred method of contact, two fields will appear: a phone field where they can enter their phone number, and a drop-down field that asks for the best time to contact them. If the user indicates that they wish to be contacted via text, then only the phone field will appear. Finally, if the user wishes to be contacted via email, an email field will appear. As you can see, conditional logic is a powerful tool that can help personalize your forms for your users and make them shorter and less daunting to complete. If you're interested in learning more about conditional logic, check out our video on how to use conditional logic with the survey field, linked in the description. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. And for more Gravity Forms guides and tutorials, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.